Hi YouTube. Today I have another unboxing of the Samsung Gear S3 smartwatch, and so I have, as you can see on this side, I have collect quite a few smartwatch already. I used to have another Samsung S2, so this is S3. So we're gonna do the unboxings and then compare with the rest of the watches. So here we go. So let's take a look first at the box. Um, Again, Samsung, and then and let's go ahead and unbox this. Ooh, okay. Then we have. I might need to go get a something cut with. So while you take a look at that, I'll go grab a knife. Okay, I'm back. So here we go. So this is the watch here, and so let's take it off. Okay, leave here. We have charging cable, and then we have extra, I think, smaller size strap, and then I think this is for the actual charger, and then we have, what do we have here? Oh, okay, charging device again, and then booklet. So take out. So this is from T-Mobile. So one particular, this one has a built-in SIM. So it has its own phone number and has its own data plan. So it has its own phone number. So I can, it doesn't need a phone to access the internet. So that's a great thing. So I have 4 data plans. So I'll put us aside for now. And let's turn on this device. Turn it on. So while it's turning, let me remove. It's still turning on. So it's a rubber, a rubber strap. So it looks like I need to connect and pair with my a Samsung phone or Android phone. So it doesn't work with iPhone, by the way. So you need an Android phone. So I have an Android phone here. So I'm gonna pair with things here. So, and to give you while I'm connecting to that one, I just want to give you a quick comparison with this is the S2, Samsung S2 here, and S3. I want to do a comparison, see side by sides. And on the back. So this the S3 is bigger than the 2, and I kind of like the S3 already because it's bigger for men. Size will be great. Whereas this one is a little bit smaller. It look like, yeah. So I put 2 of them on, so you can see the 2. There you go. Also, I send, and then I have another one here. This is also a, I don't know, it's running a custom Android smartwatch or Android Wear, and this is a TicWatch, and just wanna give you a 3 size comparisons. And then I also have another one. It's actually an Android smartwatch. So 3 of them, they're all smartwatch. And this one is running a full Android, okay? Full Android. It's big, it has a camera, it has a speaker, and it has a SIM card. So you can put in a SIM card on here and make phone call. It's unlocked, everything. So I'm take this off and give you a comparison. This is Android. This is called KingWear 88, and side by side comparisons. So you can see the camera right here. But the S3, the build quality is really good on the S3 here. Well, this one's good too. This one is plastic band, and then the casing is metal. It's a little bit light. This one is a little heavy, but the build quality is great on the Samsung Gear 3 here. So I'm just turning it on. See. The great thing about that is the watch face. See right there. Oh. Okay. Okay. So and then compare with and this is not a smartwatch, it's a e-watch from Pebble. And so now, guys, let me connect and turn it on. Okay, let me take a quick look over here, and I'll see if I can connect to my phone here. Okay. Okay, I'm able to connect. Sorry about that. So I'm able to see my watch already. So I'm going to connect and then turn it on so you can see how it look. So hang on, guys. So I'm connecting to my, so it's pairing up with my phone right now. So this is how it look like. Okay, next. So it'll take a little bit long time. So in the meantime, let you guys have a look at all the watch. Different size. So that's all the watch that. Okay, now see this one have a tutorial, but I'm not gonna go to a tutorial. I'm just gonna skip it. Oh, it's pretty nice, really nice. So this one, the thing I like about Samsung Watch is that you see this one I don't have to use my finger to swipe around even though I can, but I can just using the dial here. I just touch the dial and it's turning. So, and this one I can change to a different watch face. That's another one. So there are various style on here. Then, oh, this interesting one. So we have quite a few. So there's two buttons on the sides. One I think is power, and then this one is back. And I think this one, oh, it's activate. It has Samsung Pay built in. So let's see. Oh, okay, that's how to add. So you can, I think you can swipe down like that and swipe. Oh, that's activated. So that's all the apps. That's notification. So so it has voice. So it has voice command. Say call mom. I guess there's no mom on here. Okay, that's Samsung Pay. Oh, that's the app. That's why I want to get to. So as you can see, I can turn the dial and it go to the next one. So you can see various apps on here. Oh, you can actually have a phone on it. So I have a dialer and it has a contact list. And of course it has messages. Of course it can track your health. And then it can control music. And calendar. Gallery. The photos. Okay. Okay, that is enough for now. And if I have time, I'll do another video. Uh, Again, thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you like the video, please subscribe. I have more stuff coming, more cool stuff. Thanks again for watching.